The device that I have is a Redmi Note 9S, which also called Redmi Note 9 Pro in India. So I will show you how to unlock bootloader of this mobile phone in a simple way, reminding you that service center will not claim set warranty if bootloader is remain unlocked. Unlocking bootloader of Xiaomi mobile phones is not risky at all, but once it get unlocked, then I will suggest to keep the bootloader unlocked as far you own it and using it. For relocking bootloader, you must flash stock ROM according to model number and select relock bootloader during flashing with Mi Flash tool, which will not get the set into any trouble. Xiaomi mobile phone will get factory reset every time unlocking or relocking bootloader. So better to save all your internal storage data on your computer hard drive. Check the battery should be charged around 70 to 80%. Data cable computer are required for this procedure. The links are provided in my video description for downloading. Make a new folder on computer hard drive and download Miui ROM flashing tool first and install it on your computer, which will help us to install all the required drivers automatically after connecting mobile phone with computer. Then download Mi Flash Unlock and must unzip it. Turn off the screen lock if you have set it on. Put your mobile SIM card in your mobile phone which has not yet been used for creating Mi account. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile SIM data. Go to settings, then to Mi account and check the country code. Must be auto select. Type your mobile SIM number without zero and tap next. A verification code will be sent by Xiaomi to your SIM number via SMS. Type that verification code and tap next. Now you need to type password by creating new one of minimum 8 characters with 1 or 2 digits. For example, ABCDE 1 2 3. Then tap OK. Wait for it and soon account will be created. Tap got it. Then deny every pop-up window coming up on the screen. Now turn off both find device and sync. Then tap continue. Finally, Mi account is created. Now go back to settings, then to about phone and tap Miui version for 7 times to turn on the developer options. After that, go back to settings, then to additional settings, then to developer options and turn on the OEM unlocking. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, then turn off a Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data because this step will not be done with Wi-Fi connectivity. Now tap on Mi Unlock status. Tap agree, then tap add account and device. Wait and you will see added successfully. Mi account is associated with this device now. Go back to home screen and turn off the mobile phone. Moving towards a computer screen, open unzip Mi Flash Unlock folder, then open Mi Flash Unlock software by double clicking on it. Click agree. Now sign in your same Mi account here which was just created in mobile phone by typing your mobile SIM number without zero. And you will see the country code. Select your country code by clicking on it. Now type the same password here which you created when creating Mi account in mobile phone. Then click sign in. Software will start signing in and checking. Next screen will say not connected with phone. Well, so far things going so good. Moving towards mobile phone now. Set must be power off. Now boot mobile phone into fast boot mode by pressing and holding first volume down key, then power key, and in a 3 to 4 seconds fast boot screen will get appear. Connect cable with computer first, then with mobile phone. If you have installed Miui ROM flashing tool already, then drivers will get installed automatically, and Mi Flash unlock will show phone connected and will also show unlock will erase user data. Now with few Xiaomi mobile phones, bootloader get unlock straight away without getting waiting time period, but mostly will get waiting time period. So let's see if I or you get lucky on this. Click unlock, wait for 5 seconds, then click unlock again, wait again, then click unlock once again, and procedure will start. Wait for it. Most probably will get around 168 hours of waiting. Yes, indeed. Couldn't unlock. Please unlock 168 hours later. Mostly and officially we get waiting time period by Xiaomi. Disconnect the cable from mobile phone and press and hold the power key until set get restart from fast boot screen. Set will start booting normally. Close Mi Flash unlock, and that's all for the first round of unlocking bootloader of Redmi Note 9S. 168 hours means that we have to wait for 7 days, and after 7 days we'll try to unlock it again. Now to avoid inconvenience, better not to mess with Mi account also with developer options for around 7 days of waiting time period. In case if you try to check to unlock bootloader like after 3 or 4 days, then you will see waiting time period will be deducting. But I suggest try to do unlocking step again after 7 days. Will make the procedure stable. Finally 7 days gone, and it is time to do the bootloader unlocking, which will be done this time. Now all we need to do is to check battery is charged 60 to 70%. Save all the internal storage data to your computer hard drive. Now go to settings, then to account and sync your Google account for once, then remove it. We can log in later after the procedure. Remove the lock screen password in case if you have set it. Now go to additional settings, then to developer options, and check the OEM unlocking must be turned on. Right. Power off the device, then boot the device into fast boot mode by pressing and holding the volume down key, then power key. Few seconds, fast boot screen will appear. Connect data cable with computer first, then to mobile phone. Open Mi Flash unlock software by going into that folder and double clicking on it. Click agree, then log in the same Mi account which we created in mobile phone by typing the SIM card number first without 0. Now select your country code. Type the password of the same Mi account. Click sign in. Process of signing in will start, and next screen will show phone connected. So click unlock, then wait for 5 seconds. Click unlock again and wait again. Finally click unlock again, and this time procedure of bootloader unlocking will start. In case if you get this message that couldn't unlock, unknown error, try again. Not to worry about this. This may be a small glitch. Just click unlock again. Process will start again. Mobile phone will get reboot and will start doing factory reset. Mi Flash unlock screen will show unlocked successfully. Close the software and we are done with computer. Wait for the mobile phone to boot, which will take little long time because the factory reset was done. Complete setup screen now. Finally, procedure of unlocking bootloader got to end. Now go to settings, then to about phone and tap Miui version for 7 times to turn on the developer options. After that, go back, then go to additional settings and then to developer options. You will see OEM unlocking is turned on and not prominent. We cannot turn it off because bootloader is remain unlocked and Mi unlock status will show unlocked. Now you can simply sign in back to your Mi account and to Google account as well and start installing applications from Play Store. Now use Redmi Note 9s without any hesitations. Redmi Note 9s is ready to get custom recovery to be flash or custom ROMs to be flash and even other region MIUI stock ROMs to be flash. Take care. Thank you for watching.